Welcome back to our channel, Anomic Tech Talks. Today, we're diving into the exciting realm of machine learning. In this video, we'll demystify the three main types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Stick around as we break down these concepts and provide real-world examples for each. Let's get started. First up, we have supervised learning. In this approach, we train our model using labeled data, where the algorithm learns to make predictions based on historical examples. Imagine teaching a computer to differentiate between cats and dogs based on labeled images. Common applications include spam email detection and predicting housing prices. The model learns from the provided data and aims to generalize its predictions to new, unseen data. Moving on to unsupervised learning. This method involves analyzing unlabeled data to uncover patterns and relationships. Picture sorting a collection of photos into distinct categories without any prior information. Show visual of clustering data points. Unsupervised learning finds its use in customer segmentation for businesses and topic modeling for text analysis. It's all about discovering hidden structures within data. Last but not least, we have reinforcement learning. Think of this as training a digital agent to perform actions within an environment to maximize rewards. Just like teaching a dog new tricks by rewarding it for correct behaviors. Reinforcement learning powers self-driving cars and game-playing AIs. It's all about finding the optimal sequence of actions to achieve a specific goal. And there you have it, the three main types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Each type has its unique approach and applications, contributing to the incredible advancements we see today. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content on machine learning and artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.